Anakin's strike, the Obi attack, the Anakin behind the backspin, Anakin's flourish. Doesn't matter. Whatever you call this move, this is Anakin's signature move with a lightsaber. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Specifically, I'll be showing you the one from the Kenobi series. And yeah, briefly, we saw Obi-Wan do this move in Kenobi, but not as smooth as Anakin. No hate to Obi-Wan though, but I'm going to show you how Anakin does it. Alright, let's break it down. Alright, so to do this move, of course you're going to need a lightsaber. In order to pull off this move, you not only need your lightsaber, your footwork and your balance is the most important thing about this move. But we'll get into that later. Right now I'm going to show you the lightsaber aspect. Alright, so the root move of this technique is simply drawing a circle on your right side by spinning your wrist and fingers. Here's a little visual aid to help y'all out. Real quick, let's go see how Anakin does it. See, as he begins the move, he's drawing a circle on his right side. Draw a circle on your right side. That's the first step. Alright, the next step is rotating your body. See, as he does the circle in midair on his side, he will rotate his body to the left. See right here, he stops, rotate, and now he's got his back towards Obi-Wan, strike, and he continues the move. Remember, step 1, draw the circle on your right side. So when I do the move, I slowly turn my body to the left and I rotate my wrist. Another thing is, while you're turning your body, you're going to be turning your wrist too. And with your back turn, you're going to finish the move and strike. Alright y'all, now let's put it all together. I'm going to show you what it looks like sideways. Don't forget to turn your body to the left and rotate your wrist. And while you do the move, you're going to turn your body to the left. And while turning your body to the left, you're going to be rotating your wrist. This is where the wrist rotation comes in. Alright, so it goes sideways circle, spin to the left, strike. Don't forget to turn your body to the left and rotate your wrist. And when you get good with it, you can add some speed. I'm going to show you what it looks like a little bit faster. Sideways circle, spin to the left, strike. Let me show y'all again. Sideways circle, spin to the left, strike. Alright, now it's time to move on to footwork. Remember when I said it was the most important part? Watch how Anakin does the move. Watch his feet. While he's doing the move, he turns with his right foot, and he lands on his left foot. And then he finishes the move. Alright, so for the first part of footwork, you're going to be working with your left foot. While you're doing the body rotation to the left, you're going to stomp and land on your left foot. Now watch my feet. As I turn and strike, I got my left foot here, and I land on my left foot as I strike. Alright, I'm going to do it again, y'all. As I turn, I land on my left foot, right as I strike. One more time. Turn, land, right on the left foot. And that's it. Now I'm going to show you the last part, so y'all can finish the move, landing on your right foot. Okay, so after Anakin strikes, he turns his body to the right, and he lands on his right foot, with his left hand on the ground, and his left knee on the ground. Here, let's zoom in closer. Notice how he has his left hand on the ground, his right foot on the ground, and his left knee on the ground, right as he finishes his attack and poses. That's the last thing I'm going to show y'all to finish this move. Alright, so just like last time, spin, strike, land on the left foot, then you're going to turn to the right and strike and land on your right foot, your left knee, and left hand. Alright, I'm going to show y'all one more time. So altogether it's rotate, back, left foot, strike, spin to the right and stop on your left hand, knee on the ground, and stop on your right foot.
Stop on your right foot, don't forget it!
And when you practice all the moves I showed you, and you put it together, it'll look something like this.